How to connect Donorbox with Wix. The first thing you want to do once on your Donorbox dashboard, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and select campaigns, or you could select events. Once you have selected the option either campaigns or events, you're going to see the option go to Launchpad below the campaign or event that you have created. Once you have tapped on that, you'll be redirected to this page and you have a few options. You can either choose to add an embed form to your Wix website, you could choose to add a pop-up, you can choose to add a donate button, or you could choose to add a donate page or the goal meter or the donor wall. So there are quite a few options that you can add. Now let's say we would like to add the form. All you need to do is simply select embedded form and you can see a preview of how it looks on the right hand column. Once you're finished, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on copy code. After you have copied the code, you're going to go into your Wix website. And from here, you can choose where you'd like to add it. So I'm going to be adding a new section. So I'll tap right there on add section. Then we're going to tap on add elements. Or you could go over to the top left hand corner and select the plus. Then from there, you're going to select embed code. And we're going to select embed HTML. And you're going to paste in the code that you have copied from Donorbox. Then you're going to tap on update. After selecting update, you can close this section and you're just going to adjust the size of the embed box that you have put on. So you can adjust the size right here by simply pulling along the end and you can see how it looks. And that's it. That's how you'll be able to add Donorbox to your Wix website, as you can see right here. Once you're finished, you'll select save in the top right hand corner. Then if we were to tap on preview, you can see how it looks. And persons will be able to now donate on your website using Donorbox. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. And again, you would go onto the editor page and you'll adjust how it looks. So you can pull along the end to adjust the dimension and the look of it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.